Hi everyone, these are the instructions to show you how to access your group discussion board to complete your first assignment, which is your introduction discussion post. Alright, so I'm just on our homepage on our Blackboard course website. On the left side of the screen here, you will see this tab that says Groups. You want to go ahead and click on Groups. Now, since I'm the professor for this course, I can see all of the different groups for this class. When you click on this page, you will likely only be seeing one of these discussion groups, whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, and that is the discussion group that you've been assigned to for this semester. So as you can see over here, each discussion group has no more than 10 people enrolled in it, and those are the 10 students that, like I said, you'll be interacting with and replying to each other's posts throughout the duration of the semester. So I'll just go ahead and click on discussion group 1 here. Here it will list the members that are in your group. So if there's ever a reason that you wanted to send out an email to the members of your discussion group, etc., you can go ahead and do that. File exchange, if you wanted to share, for example, a Word document or a PDF with the members of your group for any reason, you can do that here as well. But the main link you'll want to focus on here is this one where it says Group Discussion Board. This is where all of your discussion boards for the entire semester are going to be found, all right? So again, it's groups on the left here. You'll select your group number, and then down here where it says Group Discussion Board, we'll click on that, and this is going to bring you into your group's discussion board home. Okay, so for this first assignment, your introduction discussion post, it's basically just an opportunity for you to first of all introduce yourself to both myself and the other students in your group, and also just to get familiar with the discussion board format, because again, you'll be completing weekly discussion posts for the remainder of the semester, so this is just kind of an easy, low-stakes way to get introduced to the discussion board format. Alright, so if I go ahead and click on this Introduction Discussion Post tab here, you'll see that I've already posted in your introduction discussion form, so I answered all of the questions that I'm asking you, so you can go ahead and read my post if you'd like to get to know me a little bit better. But what you're going to need to do to write your own post is to click here where it says Create Thread. Okay. So if you click Create Thread, the thread is just basically the term they give in discussion forums for you to write your own individual post. All right? And when you click on that Create Thread, you're going to see the instructions that I've provided in the form description. So basically all I want you to do is to write a discussion post answering these 6 questions about yourself. They're all pretty straightforward, and again, I answered all of them in my own thread in the discussion forum as well. So if you need an idea about what I'm looking for, you can go ahead and read my post, and that should give you a pretty clear idea. But again, this is pretty straightforward, and it is due by Saturday, August 22nd at 11:59 p.m. So you have a few days to work on it, but I would definitely encourage you to not procrastinate and get this done sooner rather than later. I look forward to learning a little bit more about you, and I definitely strongly encourage you to read the other posts by the members of your group so you can get to know one another a little better. Like I said, you're going to be working with this group of 9 or 10 students for the remainder of the semester on your weekly discussion posts. So it might be nice to know a little bit about who the people are, where they're coming from, what their goals are for school, etc. Right? If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact me via email or stop in during my virtual office hours.